Hey digital creators, so we are back with another YouTube channel video on how to make the avatars talk. So in my previous video, if you go back to my last video, you'll see how I actually created the avatar, but now we're going to help our avatar to actually talk. All right. So the first thing you do is you start off with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is normally my starting point. So the one that I'm going to do is for the president. And this is what we're going to say. So I'm going to say create a script for 2 minutes of the president talking about why we should decrease tariffs and how it affects the American economy. Okay. So if you haven't learned already, I am very much so into business, and so a lot of my speeches are going to be based on that. And it's politically based, and so why wouldn't I? All right, so ChatGPT is going to give it a second. And this is what it came up with. So this is the actual speech. All right. And so we're going to copy it. We're going to copy it. You know, I like a good shortcut. And then I'm going to go to my Google AI Studio. And this is pretty cool because you can have more than one speaker or you can just have one. So I'm going to do a single speaker. And I'm going to change the tone to something confident, male and confident. Let's see, in a confident presidential tone. All right, and so I'm going to Control V. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And I'm going to change my person. You can test them here. I'm gonna do Sharon. Sharon seemed like he get the job done. So I'm going to hit run. And it's gonna take a few seconds to generate this whole thing. But this is how you get the text to audio. This is how you change the voices for your avatar. All right. And so anytime you want to just kind of get creative, I would strongly recommend doing this. Again, they have a multi-speaker one where you can change that up as well. But in my next video, we're going to talk about how we can get our person to say the actual teleprompt. So if you stay tuned to the next video, we'll go ahead and merge the two so that you can see it and you can hear it. So it's still thinking about it. While that's going, I do want to go back here and let you know that Canva has some pretty cool courses on things like this, but also I've made some pretty cool things on my work desk. And so this is my president. This is who. Wouldn't it be cool to like be able to pick your avatar president? That'd be so cool. But I'm going to go ahead and download it because I'm going to use him later. All right. Let's see if they are ready. They are still not ready. This might be a little long. So, but anyways, so I have that one. I have made other ones. It wants me to see. That's my president. So it wants me to see all the other ones. So these are some basketball players. I do want to do some different things, mixing characters together. These are more realistic, but you can also change it to, a cartoon-ish character if you want to just add it to your prompt. Look at that. Create a duck that loves hip hop. So That was my previous prompt because I was just having fun. Okay, here it is. Mm-hmm. All right, so that is what my president sounds like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download it so that I have it for the next step. But don't forget to follow, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the things because I have some more content coming to you next.